Hello, everybody. Evan Rogers from Evan Rogers Law PC. I'm making this video for my 200 something clients that I'm doing housing court work for, but we're going to put this up on YouTube because everybody needs to see what is going on in the Bronx. So what happened yesterday at 1:15, there was a Microsoft Teams meeting so that the court could explain to the bar, which is the landlord attorneys and the tenant attorneys, including the Good Legal Aid and Bronx Legal Services, etc., the people that are helping tenants, what's going on. So before we can get into what's going on, let's talk about what was, okay? What was a housing court at 1118 Grand Concourse, where you had 4 courtrooms on every floor, and the courtrooms would handle anywhere from 80 to 100 cases, usually in the morning, but certainly during the day. Then COVID happened and court shut itself down tight. That's around St. Patrick's Day. Now, if you were my client back then, you know that I proposed a plan and I sent up to OCA and I sent over to the mayor's office to use the empty schools so that we could keep the judges in the courtroom with the files and move 20,000 cases by the summer. That plan, of course, was summarily rejected. Then in July, when I repeated it, I was the subject of a grievance, which is not very pleasant. But the same thing is happening today. So here's what's happening now. I can't believe this, and I know if you're one of my clients, you're going to be screaming and throwing things. But here it is. There are 4 courtrooms on every floor. There are going to be only 2 courtrooms used and only 1 case per half hour in each courtroom. That's it. That's it. Crazy. Now, court has done some nice things, okay? I did a prior video about how we have an electronic filing system, so now the court doesn't lose papers and the volume that they used to. They are attempting to do some Zoom calls. They are getting free lawyers assigned, which I suppose is useful in the non-payments, but I don't really see the efficacy of it with holdovers. But they are not moving the cases. And even worse, when I asked the question, I was not given a very polite answer at first, but then I was told that, well, we're going to get to you. Well, I have been victimized, and my clients have been victimized for well over a year and a half. And let's imagine this. You're playing football. You get down, you're running with the ball, you just stiff arm somebody, you're at the 5-yard line, they blow the whistle. What's the whistle, you may ask? Well, we have to turn the field around. You have to go 95 yards the other way. Court has done this at least 8 times now, so you can't get to the end. So you have a warrant. They say, oh, you need to now make a motion to execute the warrant that you could have executed a year and a half ago. Okay, you do that. Oh, now you need new COVID papers you have to serve. Okay, you do that. Now you need a brand new COVID warrant. But here's the rub. They don't hear the cases. They don't hear the cases. So if you are one of my 200 something clients or one of the hundreds of thousands of landlords around the state, it's time to pick up your computer keyboard and start writing letters to the chief judge, write letters to the assembly people, write letters to the senators, write letters to every damn person you could think of and let them know that, hey, they're not doing their job. Because if you can go to Giants Stadium with 99,000 other people, you can go to the supermarket, you can go to the bodega, you can go anywhere in the world you want to go, but you can't go to court, then the people at the top, not necessarily the people that are running the individual civil court, I think they work hard, but the people at the top, they're abetting a scam. They're abetting a scam, and we have to do something about it. Open to suggestions. This was Evan Rogers. God bless you all. Be safe.